You don't need 21 days to change your life. Not 90 days, not even 7. You need one day. One moment where you stop negotiating with yourself and finally decide that enough is enough. Because the truth is this, you don't lack time, you lack honesty. And today I'm going to give you something most people will never dare to do. A brutal 24-hour reset for your mind, your energy, and your direction. This isn't motivation, this is war, and today we take your life back. Step 1, radical isolation. Pick one day, turn off your phone, no internet, no social media, no scrolling, no texting, no distractions. Just you and your mind. Why? Because most people aren't broken. They're overstimulated. Their brain never gets silence, never gets space, never gets clarity. We're drowning in noise. And the fastest way to hear the truth is to remove the noise. If you can't spend one day alone with your thoughts, you're not avoiding boredom, you're avoiding yourself. Step 2, the mirror ritual. This is the part nobody talks about. Stand in front of a mirror. Look directly into your own eyes. No music, no affirmations, no distractions. Just 5 minutes of stillness. And ask yourself one question. Who am I pretending to be? Ask it honestly. You will feel it. That uncomfortable pressure in your chest. That's not weakness. That's your real self waking up. Because somewhere along the way, you stopped being yourself and started performing for the world. Today, that performance ends. Today, honesty begins. Step 3, destroy to rebuild. Take a notebook, write down 3 things, the habits that are killing your potential, the places that drain your energy, the lies you tell just to be accepted. Write them clearly, then destroy the page. Rip it, burn it, shred it. Why? Because writing creates awareness, but destroying it sends a message to your subconscious. That version of you is finished. You're not going back. That person dies today. Step 4, the warrior hour. Now we activate your mind, body, and spirit. Set a timer for 60 minutes. This is your warrior hour. 20 minutes, move your body. Run, push-ups, cold shower, push your limits. 20 minutes, empty your mind. Write everything you're feeling. No structure, no filter, just truth. 20 minutes, silence. No phone, no music, no stimulation. Just breathe, just exist. And somewhere in that silence, you'll feel something shift. Control, clarity, power. Step 5, the 9 p.m. rule. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror again. But this time, don't ask questions. Just say one sentence. Thank you for showing up. Not perfection, not results, just presence. Because most people never give themselves even one day of full effort. One day where they didn't hide, didn't run, didn't lie. They faced themselves. And that is rare. You're not broken. You're just buried. Buried under comfort. Buried under distraction. Buried under fear. But one honest day, one focused day, one intense day can change the direction of your entire life. Not because you became someone new, but because you finally stopped pretending. If this message hit you, don't just scroll away. Act. Fix yourself today. And join my Telegram for daily mindset drops. The link is below. Let's level up every single day.